The Daily Stand-Up, Purpose and Effectiveness. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Corporate Chaoos. If you've ever worked in a corporate setting, you've probably heard of the Daily Stand-Up, those quick morning meetings where everyone stands around, talks about their tasks, and hopes it ends in 15 minutes. But have you ever wondered why we stand up for this meeting? Well, today we're going to break down the Daily Stand-Up, why it works, and how to make it more effective. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is a daily stand-up? Well, it's a short, focused meeting, often no longer than 15 minutes, where team members gather to share updates on their work, identify roadblocks, and coordinate next steps. The goal is to keep everyone aligned and moving forward quickly. And the key part here is that it's usually done standing up. The idea behind standing is simple. It keeps the meeting short and focused. No one wants to stand around too long, so it naturally limits the time spent in these updates. Why the stand-up format works. So why standing? The reason is simple. It increases productivity. Standing up helps people stay alert, reduces distractions, and ensures the conversation stays on track. When everyone's on their feet, it creates a sense of urgency, and the focus is solely on moving things forward. There's no time for long-winded discussions or unnecessary small talk. It's all about efficiency. How to run an effective daily stand-up. Now, you may be thinking, how do I make sure my stand-ups don't turn into a waste of time? Here are some tips to keep them effective. Tip 1. Stick to the format. A common structure for stand-ups is, what did you do yesterday? What are you working on today? Are there any blockers or challenges? This simple format keeps things on track and ensures that everyone shares valuable information without rambling. Tip 2. Don't get too detailed. Remember, the daily stand-up isn't for deep dives into every project. It's a quick check-in. If you need to have a more detailed conversation about something, that's what follow-up meetings or one-on-ones are for. Tip 3. Keep it on time. If you've set a 15-minute timer for your stand-up, make sure you stick to it. Respect everyone's time by keeping things short and sweet. What if people don't stand up? So let's say you're in a stand-up, but some people are sitting down or distracted. How do you handle it? Well, the whole point of a stand-up is to keep it brief and engaging. If someone's sitting down, they might not feel as committed to the meeting's energy. To solve this, you could encourage everyone to stand together, or even consider trying a virtual stand-up if your team works remotely. Benefits of daily stand-ups. So why go through the effort of making daily stand-ups work? Well, they come with some big benefits. Benefit 1. Clarity. Stand-ups help everyone stay aligned on goals and priorities. You'll know what your teammates are working on and how you can collaborate to help each other out. Benefit 2. Faster problem solving. If someone's facing a challenge, they can share it right away, and the team can help brainstorm solutions before it becomes a bigger issue. Benefit 3. Better team cohesion. By regularly checking in, teams become more connected, and you build a stronger sense of trust and camaraderie. Final thoughts. Daily stand-ups are a powerful tool when done right. They help teams stay aligned, foster communication, and ensure everyone is working towards the same goal. So next time you find yourself in a stand-up, remember, keep it brief, stay focused, and make the most of the time you have together. If you're running the meeting, set clear expectations and lead by example. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Also, drop a comment below. What's your best tip for running an effective stand-up? See you in the next video.